everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Copycat Starbucks cheese danishes, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the cream cheese filling. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, using an electric mixer, beat everything together until smooth. When you're finished, fill a piping bag with the cream cheese mixture. Then cut the tip off the piping bag around 2 centimeters in. Next, place a sheet of puff pastry on a cutting board. Then cut it into 6 equal-sized rectangles. Next, using a small knife, score a smaller rectangle into each puff pastry piece. Be careful that you don't cut all the way through the pastry puff. Repeat this process with the other puff pastry pieces. When you're done scoring the puff pastry, place it on a lined baking sheet. Then pipe the cream cheese filling to the center of each puff pastry piece. Next, we're going to make the egg wash. In a bowl, whisk together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. When you're finished, dip a brush in the egg wash and then brush the edges of the puff pastry. By the way, if you pipe the filling like how I did it, make sure to smooth the sides out. Also, you don't have to pipe the filling in a squiggly line like I did, you can just pipe it in a straight line. Either way you decide to pipe it is totally fine though. Next, place your cheese danishes in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes. Once they have finished baking in the oven, let them cool down on a cooling rack. And this is the finished result! These Copycat Starbucks cheese danishes were so good. They're easy to make and make a great snack. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!